A rare opportunity awaits for a mid-century home and horse property close into the city on nearly 2.5 acres. The large pasture leads to the north side of the property, which borders the Tualatin River, plus the opportunity to add a dock for endless possibilities of fun on the river. It's convenient to shopping, schools, Jurgens Park, a kayak launch, and much more. A 3-stall horse barn includes a tack room and loft. Mature landscaping in this private, serene setting welcomes you home. Discover a spacious living room with vaulted ceilings, built-ins, a cozy fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling windows. It opens to the dining area, built-in breakfast nook, and inviting kitchen, which includes all appliances and peaceful views. Relax in your main-level primary suite with a full bathroom. This 4-bedroom home has 3 baths and more than 2,900 square feet. In the family room, you can gather by the freestanding fireplace or head up to the loft area that's perfect for an office. You'll find plenty of spaces to entertain, complete with an outdoor fireplace. Or just savor the tranquility with quiet breezes and expansive spaces for your gardens. This property also includes water and irrigation rights. Come see the many options this property can offer. It's all here on Hazelbrook Road and ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.